Dumela, welcome back to Setswana Class. Amoso omonte waletsitsela tshipi. What a beautiful morning on this. What a beautiful Sunday morning. So ke mo tseleng ke ya kerekeng. I am on my way to church. So yeah, tsatsi ra kerekeng. Today we're going to church. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of my church, as much as I possibly can record, because it's church, So yeah, areye. People in Botswana are predominantly Christians. Even people who don't go to church, they might identify themselves as Christians. Batho ba le bantsi ba lefatshe la Botswana ba ikaegile ka tumelo ya sekeresete le fa ba ka tswa ba sa ikerekeng. So yeah, I'm a member of this church ever since I moved to Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I'm just gonna stand here. It's in the middle of the neighborhood, which is really good. There we go. Have to cross the road. And maybe you're going to Botswana and you're watching this video, you're like, I'm not going to go to church. Why am I watching this? Just because many people in Botswana are churchgoers or Christians. So these are the phrases that they might use. So if you're learning this, you'll be able to understand what people might be talking about. And if you're going there as well and you're like, I might not be able to connect with the brothers and sisters in the Lord, these are the places that will help you as well. So we have Bakaulem, which is like brethren or brothers and sisters in the Lord. And then we have Muruti, which is the preacher or the teacher.
Places where there's no access to the
or the pastor.
churches that meet and
We use Muruti for all those people. And then we have Baopedi, which is like singers, Bakhaleletse ba Modimo, praise and worshipers, which is basically everybody, but some people will be standing in front of the church, just leading the whole church into prayer and or into praise and worship. Mo kerekeng re ya go galeletsa le go rorisa Modimo kana le go rapela Modimo. In church we are going to praise and worship the Lord, and ra opela le go binela Modimo. We sing and we dance for the Lord. I'm trying to think of church phrases. Le go bona bakaulengwe, and to see brethren or churchmates or brothers and sisters in the Lord. Bakaulengwe. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video. And if you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. And I do hope that whether you are learning to go to Botswana or whether you're just learning to understand, you have enjoyed this video. And